Hello again. Here at Tharaka Invention Circle CBO, we strongly believe in the value that our invention courses offer to young people across the world, especially developing nations. We're engaged in preparing young minds to create and build. This is a golden moment in history. This is Professor Singer, and I want to tell you about Course 5. Here's a regimen of learning activities for students to reinforce the learning objectives for Course 5, Prototyping and Iterative Development, Turning Concepts into Reality. Course Description. Prototyping is the heart of the inventive journey, where imaginative concepts take tangible form. In this hands-on course, you'll delve into the art of prototyping and iterative development. Learn how to bring your ideas to life using various materials and techniques, and refine them through iterative cycles of testing and improvement. Embrace the creative freedom to experiment, fail, and learn as you progress from low-fidelity models to functional prototypes. Whether you're an inventor, designer, or problem solver, this course will empower you to bridge the gap between imagination and reality and unlock the full potential of your inventive ideas. Course learning activities. Here's a regimen of learning activities for students to reinforce the learning objectives for Course 5, Prototyping and Iterative Development, Turning Concepts into Reality. Introduction to Prototyping. Prototyping methods introduce various prototyping techniques such as 3D printing, woodworking, and electronics prototyping. Prototyping Showcase share examples of inventive prototypes to inspire and illustrate the possibilities of prototyping. Understanding materials and tools. Materials exploration. Conduct a materials exploration session where students examine and experiment with different materials suitable for prototyping. Tool training. Provide hands-on training with essential prototyping tools, ensuring students are proficient in their use. Low-fidelity prototyping. Paper prototyping. Assign students to create low-fidelity paper prototypes to visualize and iterate on their inventive concepts. Rapid Prototyping Challenge. Organize a rapid prototyping challenge where students must create functional prototypes within a limited time frame. Digital Prototyping and CAD. CAD Software Introduction. Introduce students to computer-aided design, CAD, software for creating digital prototypes. Digital Prototyping Exercise. Guide students through the process of creating digital models of their inventive designs using CAD. 3D Printing and Additive Manufacturing. 3D Printing Workshop. Host a 3D printing workshop, allowing students to learn about the 3D printing process and print their digital prototypes. Post-processing techniques. Teach students post-processing techniques to refine and improve the quality of 3D printed prototypes. Electronics and IoT prototyping. Introduction to Electronics. Introduce basic electronics components and circuits for IoT prototyping. IoT Prototyping Project. Assign students to design and build inventive IoT prototypes that address specific problems or needs. Woodworking and Fabrication. Woodworking techniques. Organize a woodworking session, enabling students to create physical prototypes from wood materials. Fabrication Challenge. Present a fabrication challenge where students must fabricate inventive components using various fabrication methods. Robotics and Mechanical Prototyping. Robotics Concepts. Introduce students to robotics and mechanical design principles for prototyping robotic inventions. Mechanical Prototype Project. Task students to build mechanical prototypes that demonstrate the functionality of their inventive mechanical designs. Iterative Prototyping and Testing. Iterative Prototyping. Encourage students to iterate on their prototypes based on usability testing and feedback from end users. Usability Testing Session. Conduct usability testing sessions where students gather feedback from users to improve their prototypes. Final Prototype Showcase. Prototype Showcase Preparation. Assist students in preparing a final prototype showcase, including refined prototypes and presentation materials. Prototype Showcase Event. Organize a showcase event where students present their inventive prototypes to peers, instructors, and industry professionals. By following this regimen of learning activities, students will have the opportunity to reinforce the course's learning objectives, gain hands-on experience in prototyping techniques, and develop functional and compelling prototypes of their inventive designs. This regimen fosters an engaging and practical learning experience, empowering students to turn their inventive ideas into tangible prototypes that bring their inventions to life.